Before we start the video, it is important to mention that making $10 into $10,000 through trading is not an easy feat. It requires hard work, patience, and disciplined investing. However, here are some steps you can follow to increase your chances of success. 1. Educate yourself. It is important to learn the ropes of trading before you start. You can read books, attend courses, and follow expert traders on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. 2. Start small. Begin with a small amount of money to practice your trading skills. One of the recommended ways is to buy cryptocurrencies in fractional parts. 3. Choose a trading strategy. Develop a trading strategy that suits your personality, financial goals, and risk tolerance. There are various types of trading strategies, including day trading, swing trading, and position trading. 4. Find a broker. You need a reputable broker who can execute your trades and provide access to various markets. Choose a broker who is regulated by a reputable financial institution and offers competitive fees. 5. Keep your emotions in check. Trading can be emotionally challenging, and it is important to keep your emotions in check. Avoid making decisions based on fear, greed, or FOMO. 6. Be flexible. Be prepared to adapt your strategy as market conditions change. This requires regular monitoring of your trades and staying up to date with market news and trends. 7. Focus on long-term success. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires patience and resilience. Focus on long-term success rather than trying to make big gains in a short period. In conclusion, making $10 into $10,000 by trading is a challenging process that requires knowledge, practice, and discipline. It is important to start with small amounts and gradually build your wealth while keeping your emotions in check and focusing on long-term goals. Remember that trading carries risks, and it is important to only invest what you can afford to lose.